Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, March 25th, and today we're working on 10 and some more. But let's do a little checkup really quick to see how we've been doing with our stuff here with our place value, our 10s, and our 1s. So we're going to use objects to show 15 as a group of 10 and a group of 5. Now for this one, what we talked about yesterday was that when I want to draw a 10 as a 10 block, I can just draw it like this. This is going to show me that I have a 10 block. You could also draw it like this if you wanted to. You'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 to show that there's actually 10 in there. But I think this way is going to be a lot easier for us to work with, boys and girls. So let's try it like this. So I'm going to represent that as equaling to 10. Now the next one that we have is we have to show 5 to get to 15 because 10 plus 5 equals 15. So as we keep going here, we're going to draw our 1 blocks. So I have 10 already with my 10 block. So let's show 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right there. So that right there, boys and girls, would equal 15 because I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So let's get into 10 some more today. So we're going to make groups of 10, and how many shirts are there in all? Now, what I can notice here, boys and girls, is this. When I have groups of 10, it's going to make things a lot easier for us to count them up as we move along. So I know that 2 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 is going to be 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So 2 10s and 5 1s is 25. So we actually have 25 shirts in all. So by making it 10 here, boys and girls, it's actually a lot easier for us to add because we can just count by 10s and move our way up right there. So let's take a look at this math problem today. Meredith took 3 groups of 10 photos. Then she took 8 more photos. Use objects, or in our case we're going to draw, the model, the number of the photo takens. So how many photos were taken in all? So let's take a look at this. So if I have 3 groups of 10, I know that I can draw my 10 block here. So I have 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so I have 10, 20, 30 so far. So this part of the equation right here, that one's done. Then she took 8 more photos. So let's count that out. So we have 30. Let's count up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So if I have 30 right there, 8 more is just going to be 30 and then 8. So we have 38 photos in all. Alright, so let's take a look at this one really quick because this one's going to be a little funky. What we have to do is we have to make 10s. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to try to find a way to make this into 10s really quick. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to do this one right here. Alright, let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This guy right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, because as you can see that when I'm doing this, boys and girls, I'm just trying to find out how many are in each group, doing 10, and then not having to count them all up all at once. Because this way I can just count by 10s at the end and see how many I have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, especially when you have groups like this, it's a little easier to put them in groups because then you can just count by 10s after when you're done. And it looks like I only had these 2 left right there that didn't have a group. So instead of counting them all up like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, I can just look at my 10s. I've got 5 10s because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have these 2 1s left over here. So 5 10s is 5, 10, 15, oh, I'm sorry, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then adding 2 more is 52. Let's finish up with this one today, boys and girls. So we're going to count, circle the groups of 10, and then write the number. So if I automatically go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I know this is a group of 10, and I can notice a little pattern here. I know that these ones have to be a group of 10 as well because they're the same one as this guy right up there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I count by tens, I go 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 41 and 42. So in all, boys and girls, I have 42. So keep working on making those groups of 10 here. So today you guys are going to be working on pages 347 to 350 and using the optional pages, if you want to be amazing, of 365 to 368. All right, so boys and girls, good luck today. Have fun. If you have any questions, reach out to your teacher.